MySmile sent this water flosser for my review, and I'm excited to show it to you today because I absolutely love water flossers. It feels way better for me than actually using floss. So basically, this is everything it comes with. I do love that it comes with this great little pouch here. So if you are traveling or if you're not using it, you can just kind of keep it in this pouch. Everything will stay together. When it is fully charged, the battery can last up to like 40 hours or something like that, which of course when you are just flossing, I mean, it's only going to take a matter of minutes. So this is going to last you a very long time, perfect for travel. But of course they do provide you with the cable, and that is just right back here. So it's just tucked away. I do love that it is having this rubber piece over here, makes it waterproof. I love using these in the shower, and you're going to see why in a minute because it gets a little bit messy. So this is the device itself, really nice and slim. I love that it is easy to hold in my hand. The water goes down here, and all you have to do is just twist this off and it goes inside. And there's actually a UVC light down here, so that will actually turn on, and it's going to kind of just project down into the water and on the filter down here. So it's going to keep that nice and clean, which is really great. And then it comes with all these different like picks and tips. Like you've got one, this is really great for like scraping your tongue. And then you have one with actual like bristles, smaller bristles. And then you have like the really fine like jet streams and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go with one of the regular ones, and this just kind of goes right up here and just clicks into place. And when you want to take it off, there's a button right back here. You just take that and you pull that out. So really simple. You know, it is nice and secure right now. And then at the front, you just have your power button here, which you are going to power on. And then your M is your different modes. You have soft, normal, strong, and then the pulse mode. My personal favorite, I have very sensitive teeth. I like to keep it on soft or normal, but of course that is completely up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Then you're going to have like the screen right here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Is it coming out? It's really hard to see. There's just so many lights right here right now. I do love it because, again, when you can see it properly, it tells you how much battery you have left, and it also tells you what mode you're on. So right now it's on strong. So I'm just going to click through. That's pulse. That is soft right there. So again, I know you can't see that, but you can normally. And then you just go ahead and then you click the power button. So I'm just going to face it this way because it's just going to come shooting out. And then, woo, look at that stream go. That is awesome. And then you have the Flosser. My dog absolutely loves water. So he's like, what is going on here? And you have the plus or minus button on here, which actually, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. So then it actually comes out a little bit softer, which is cool. And to be honest, I've used quite a few water flossers before, and I don't know if I have seen that before. So basically what it was, even though it was on soft mode, you can go plus or minus so that it will increase that pressure, which is pretty cool. And it had three different ones, three different modes. So yeah, if you are looking for a water flosser, honestly, highly recommend this one.